Hello and welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Today's recipe is Chole Bhature. Chole is traditionally North Indian dish and it is served with bhature. This is puffed bread. So I'm going to show both recipes today. So I'm going to start with heating up 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and when the oil heats up I'm going to add chopped onions and 1 tablespoon of ginger, and I'm going to saute until it turns slightly pink. Now I'm going to add garlic, saute for a minute, and then I'm going to add turmeric powder and red chili powder and chopped tomatoes. There's 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. I'm going to saute until the tomatoes are cooked and turned slightly mushy. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of chana masala. This is a pre-mix or a spice blend, and kasuri methi. This is dry fenugreek leaves, which is really important in this recipe. Now I'm going to mix this well and make sure you keep the flame low. Now I'm going to add boiled chickpeas, which I soaked overnight and boiled like 4 whistles in a pressure cooker. So I'm going to add this, and I also blended 1/4 cup of chickpeas to make the gravy thick. So mix it really well, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. I also added salt when I boiled the chickpeas, so I added accordingly. Now mix this really well and bring it to boil and let it simmer for 10 minutes. So our chole is ready, and I'm going to garnish this with chopped cilantro or hara dhania. So our chole is done. Now let's prepare bhature, the puffed bread. So for that I took 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup of semolina, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/3 cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix this really well, and using little water at a time we are going to make a dough, like a soft dough. It will be sticky, and I'm going to cover it with a plastic film and leave it in a warm place for 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes I'm going to divide the dough into equal portion, and I'm going to roll it between my palms just like this, and I'm going to roll this out. So dip this in a loose flour and roll it. It doesn't have to be round, so don't worry about making round. Just stretch it just like this, and I'm going to fry this. Now the oil that we need to fry in, it needs to be very hot, like smoking hot. So I'm going to fry it, splash oil carefully on the bhature and just gently press it so the air within or the moisture within will puff out, and the hot oil will help this out. So our bhature is ready. So my dinner is done, so I'm going to serve this. This is a really comfort food. I mean, it will just delight your dinner table. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't done so, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my future uploads. Thank you for watching. I'll see you with the next recipe. Bye bye.